Today, hey, we fucking beat. Boom! What is up, homies? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Tuesday. Today we talk tools on this channel here. So, look, I've been getting a lot of tools recently. Some tools I bought, some tools have been sent over to me. But today being Tuesday, I'm gonna try to make this a weekly thing where we talk about tools on Tuesday, okay? So look, I'm gonna be sharing some of the tools that I bought and some of the tools that I got sent. So somebody sent me this package in the mail, and I think it's a scanner. There was a company that got a hold of me a while back, but I don't know what happened. They didn't send me anything. It's fucking B. I don't know what happened. They had troubles with their scanners, or they switched models or something. But I think this is it. This is a package from New Jersey, and I mean, I don't give my address out to anybody like that, so I think this is a scanner. I'm not sure. It's not too heavy. I don't hear anything in here, but we're gonna open it up. We're gonna see what's in here. But before we open this up, I want to share some of the tools that I've actually bought myself. I've honestly had these tools for about a month. I bought them because I needed them, and after I bought them, I had no need for them. So it's like they say. What's that saying? It's better to have something and not need it than to need it and not have it, right? So now that I have them, I have no use for them until the right car comes in, or until we got some tests to do on some cars. So these are tools that I haven't had. I never had. I've always, you work at a shop and you get a lot of the tools. The shop can rent them out for you, or they'll have them at the shop, or you'll borrow them from another tech, or you just have no need for them. Alright, so we'll get to this in a minute. Let's go over. First thing I got is these platinum wrenches. These are actually supposed to be ATD wrenches. That's why I bought them. I don't know if you can see this right here. Mira, right there. It says manufactured to ATD Tools, and ATD Tools is a pretty good company. I own some of their tools. These are a must have for automotive. There's times where you're gonna need a long wrench, and these are the ones to go with. They're the same. I think they're the same thing. This fucking airplane go. I think these are the same thing as the mountain wrenches, but I got these because they're ATD. I was always borrowing wrenches from other techs, and they all have mountain wrenches, because I think Mountain was the first company that made these long wrenches. I recently saw an Instagram ad by Matco Tools, and they're the exact same wrenches, only with Matco, and they're probably like $300-400 bucks. I'm not sure, I haven't checked. This one was $135 from Amazon. We're gonna open it right now, and we're gonna see what they look like. Platinum, mira. Oh yeah, brand new. Just feels good to have new tools in your hands, huh? Like, these actually feel good. Now let's see, let's double check, because I've seen a lot of reviews and they're always saying that they get the same wrench twice, the gears don't work, or it's something's wrong with these wrenches, but I don't know. Let's see. So this is a 10-8 platinum wrench. Here's a 10. Here's a 8. Works good, not bad. This is a 12-14. Here's a 14. Push the button, reverse it. I love these. Here's a 12. Boom. This is a 13-15. Mira. Look at this. See this? Unless this is not. Okay. So the button, this little reversible button, can you see that? Come on, focus, man. Okay, that right there, this little button gotta be in all the way, or else the gear's not gonna catch. So if it's halfway, it's just gonna turn like this, mira. Okay, so make sure it's all the way. Yeah, okay. Oh, I was tripping for a while there. 13-15. This is the 16-18. Sounds different. This is a 16. Can you guys hear that? And this is 18. It's a little bit quieter, but we'll see how it stands the test of time. Here's a 19, and here's a 17. Okay, so everything works. Everything works. No complaints yet. No complaints yet. I like how they look. I love the that they come in a blow molded case like this. Every time I've come across these tools, I had to borrow them. I'm just like, you know what? I'm gonna buy them. I'm gonna buy them. I'm gonna buy them. And now I bought them. So now I got them. All right, these are a must-have. Look at this 1719. I don't know if you can tell how long this is. Here's a 1719. 18 inches long. It's about 18 inches long, homies. That will give you some long reach. The thing I like about this tool is that it's almost like if you have a ratchet with a low profile socket here. So, and let me just show you what a ratchet with a socket would look like. All right, look, so this is the 14 millimeter ratchet, okay? Look at this. That's a 14, and this is a 14 with a socket on there. So you can clearly see how you can get in tight spaces with this. This is gonna be good. I've used it, every time I borrowed them, dude, these are a lifesaver. These are a must-have if you're working on cars. So I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to pick these up from Amazon. They are $135, but trust me, you can't work without them. Once you have them, you're gonna be like, fuck, how the fuck did I work without these, you know? These are must-have tools for you mechanics. Okay, let's go on to the next one. This right here is a compression tester. I bought this because I was working on I think it was a Toyota 4Runner, and I was doing a compression test, but I had one of those little gauges. I had a compression gauge that I got from Pep Boys or Amazon, or not Amazon, AutoZone, or it was one of those little cheap ones. It worked well for for a long time, but that day I was having trouble getting accurate readings, so I tossed it in the trash. And then I didn't have a compression tester anymore. I had one back in the days that I actually sold on OfferUp, and I sold it to the homie Anthony from Ruthless Customs out here in Pomona. If you guys need work done on your bike, head over there, look him up on Google, look him up on Yelp, and see what he's about. Alright, so that compression tester, I sold it to him, so I didn't have one. I was compression testerless. So I got this one from OTC. When it comes to OTC, guys, that's just quality tools. Look at this. And you know what I like too? It's the color. More than anything, it's the color. I like the blue gauge on the black against the black. That thing is just beautiful right there. So I'll be putting this to the test. Like I said, I got it a couple months ago, and I haven't used it since, because like I said, you buy something when you need it, and then when you have it, you don't need it. It's fucking weird. So that's a compression tester. Then I picked myself up a cylinder leakage tester, something that I've also never owned, and that day I needed it because I think I had a misfire on that 4Runner, and I wanted to check for cylinder leakage. And obviously you can do it with a scope and with an in-cylinder pressure transducer or whatever, but I don't have all that shit. So I picked myself up this in-cylinder leakage tester, and boom, look at this. Man, that thing is just nice. Ooh, something about having new tools, makes me not want to use it. I feel like, fuck, if I use it, it just feels good having new tools in your hands. So it's a cylinder leakage tester. We'll put it to the test later on, but for now, it's crazy. It's crazy how I've been so long in the automotive field and I've never had to buy one, because like I said, we always rent one, you borrow one. Sometimes you can, it's not every day that you're gonna pull out your in-cylinder leakage tester or your compression tester to diagnose a car. But when you do need it, you gotta have it. Now let's find out what this package is about, okay? So like I said, this package was sent over from New Jersey, and I have no idea what it is, so let's open it up. Boom, so there it is, homies. Can you see this without the glare? Look. So I think this is a company that reached out to me. Yawa wasn't it? It was a different company, but I know we were talking about getting me a scanner for me to review. So it says check engine light, O2 sensors, DT series, and battery monitor. I don't know. Yawa? Alright guys, so look, boom, there it is. Scanner. We did talk about this. They said they were going to send me a scanner, but I don't know what happened. Now we got the scanner in our hands. Now I'm not going to be using this today, but let's open it up and see what's in here. Let's see the quality. It does say in the back, It says Langhua District, Shenzhen, China. It's made in China, but fucking everything's made in China nowadays, you know? Looks pretty legit. Comes with a little user manual. Here it is. Feels kind of cheap. I don't know. You can't judge it, you know? So first, we'll go try it out. We'll see what this is about. So thank you to Yahweh, por favor, idiota. You guys remember that? From back in the day. Anyways, there's that. Okay, so we got ourselves a scanner. Boom. A compression tester. Boom. A cylinder leakage tester. Boom. Platinum wrenches. Boom. Okay, so I'll put a link to the platinum wrenches, the cylinder leakage tester, the compression tester. I'll put links down in the description, but I got one more thing that I want to talk to you guys about. If you guys made it this far, the first company to ever reach out to the homie Hector and send him tools was a company called MotiveX Tools. Can you see that right there? Boom, yeah, MotiveX Tools. All right, so they sent me these oil filter sockets. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. Look, I was gonna do a giveaway when I hit 7,000 subscribers. So I was trying to think of what to give away, and before you knew it, I hit 8,000 subscribers, and then I hit 9,000. Now we're at 10,000. I think we're like at 10.5 right now. We're almost at 11,000. So before we hit 11,000 subscribers, I want to give away these oil filter sockets. I actually reached out to MotiveX Tools. That were cool with it. They say, yeah, go ahead, give them out. This is what I'm gonna do. This video, I'm gonna give away these oil filter sockets. Okay, so now if you haven't seen my oil filter tool video, go watch it. I'll show you all the oil filter tools. They also have, and these are good for clamping around the oil filter, and these motherfuckers will take any filter off. Boom, a la verga. All right, so they have that. They have a bigger one too right here. Look, let me show you the comparison side by side. This is what they look side by side. Mira. Alright, so this is for small oil filters. You put a 3/8 ratchet on there. That fucking filter is coming off because it's coming off. Alright, so these will get that filter off. If you're working on Toyotas, they have tools for you too. These things are strong. They're fucking strong. I'll put a link to one of their videos too where they do the testing on these. They're built to last. You know, it's the holiday season. It's a season of giving. If you guys want to buy for your family, your dad, your uncle, your tío, your tía, your cousin, your primo, your prima, then, you know, head over to the MotiveX Tools website. When you go to checkout, you type in the word homie. You type in the word homie at checkout, and you're gonna get 10% off on top of those great prices that they have. So now back to the giveaway. I'm gonna be giving these out away. Maybe next Tuesday, I'll give these flip sockets out, okay? Next Tuesday. But for now, let's give these away. So what do you gotta do to enter the giveaway? First things first, drop the video a like. Drop the video a like and drop a comment down below. Leave me a comment down in the comment section, and at the end of your comment, I want you to use the hashtag chingadera. I'll put it right here. Boom. Hashtag chingadera right there. Alright, so drop a comment, and if you guys want to win this chingadera, that's what you got to do. Alright, so I'm going to be giving these away, and if you don't win, go to the MotiveX Tools website, buy whatever you want to buy, and then use the discount code HOMIE. It'll save you some more money. Alright, so big shout out to MotiveX. Hopefully you win this. I'll be picking the winner Friday. Alright, so I'll be picking the winner Friday. Hopefully you guys win this. Good luck to you guys. If you're gonna be doing a lot of oil changes on all different kinds of cars, you gotta have this, okay? So I'm gonna end it right here, homies. I wanted to show you guys the tools, and more than anything, the reason for this video is the giveaway. I don't know who's watching this, but if you guys have tools that you want me to review, you guys have tools that you want to send over, send them over. Hit me up on Instagram. It's the same thing. Boom, homie Hector. Send me whatever you want to send me. We'll put it to the test, and we'll see how good it is. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna end it right here. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out, homies. Bye. Okay, vámonos.